Blessings, my friends. I'm Sharon from Theclastyle, and I welcome you. And today I'm sharing with you how to make 4 easy DIY bows. And it's so simple, so stick around while I show you how. Now, all these are ends of ribbons that I have from our decors that we do. And during the course of the decor season, we do hundreds of bows because we decorate for different events and different companies. So I'm just showing you some of the styles that we do, and they are very simple. Now we like to use wire edge ribbons, and we love this thickness. And this one is just formed by loops, passing it in front and then to the back. And guys, this is so simple. And pass it around to the back again, so there's no twisting involved in this one. So everything goes to the back of the bow, and this was quite simple. And guys, I just have some twist ties here. We call them pipe cleaners, and I'll just wrap that around, and I'll show you what I will cover it at the end of this, because sometimes you don't have wire on hand and you have different types of materials. You can of course use it, and I'm just gonna cut a V shape, or we call it a dovetail, at the end of the piece. And guys, this is already done. So thanks for coming on board and stopping by and saying hi. I hope you stick around till the end. And guys, thank you for always returning and always saying such lovely words to me, and I so love that. This is how it looks. So cute. And there are a lot of lovely ribbons out there that you can make your bows with. So this is just one style. The other one is another quite simple. Now this one, the first one was a reversible. This one is not a reversible ribbon, which means it has a wrong side and a right side. So with this particular one, I'm going to do the twisting technique. Again, form your loops to however large you want it, and then I'll pull it over to the front, squeezing it between my thumbs and my fingers. I like to adjust my bows one time, squish it together, and just twist the piece in holding it with your thumb, and continue to do so. So as I gather the loop up, I will scrunch it in my fingers and then twist and pull the loop to the front again, hold it in my thumbs, and I continue to do the same process. Now you can put as many loops as you wish to. There's no rule here. You can do it to however you wish to. And guys, sorry if I'm sounding a little croaky. I have the flu and my voice have been going and coming, and you know how it is. So just cut off the edge of however long you want your tails to be. And I always love a bow with tails. I can't see a bow without tails. This, I think, is what finishes it off. Just tie it again with your twist tie and set it aside. Of course, I will dovetail the ends and continue on to show you the other piece. So guys, this is how the finished look is. Now this other piece, this is a red suede ribbon. This one does have a wrong side and a right side, and all are wire edged. Now I call this the Sharon bow because I continuously make this bow. I just love it. It's simple. So what I do, I just scoop some loops in my fingers, and I hold it to the bottom, just like an inch to the bottom, and just continue to scrunch it in my fingers. And I just continue to do that. You can do this as much as you want to. I will make about 7 loops here, and I'm holding all together at the bottom, and I will end up having 2 of my tails. I don't want one tail, I want my 2 tails. And just continue to do it like this. Hold it in the bottom and tie it off. Once it's tied, I will fluff my bows after I have dovetailed the ends. Tail the ends, I'll just fluff it. You can do as many as you want to or as little as you choose to. And just continuing on, this other one I'm doing a separate tail. So I'll just find the center, pull it together, and just set it aside. And you can make this as long or as short as you want to. I'll take a second piece and then I'll start to form my loops. Again, the loops are to adjust to your size. I'll bring it to the top, pull it together in the center. Now this one I'm not twisting. I will send it to the back of the bow, the first loop, bring it to the back, hold it again in my fingers, and then bring it again to the front, forming some figure eights, pull it together again in my, and then cut it off. Of course I will tie it. So guys, I would love to see you try these. This is so exciting for me, making all these bows. I mean, it's tedious when we have to do a lot, but you know, it's very rewarding. So I'll tie the tails together with the loops, and this is how it looks. Now you can trim it away. Now I'm going to add pieces to the center of each of them. I'm not cutting the bow fabric narrow. I'm just folding a pleat, and then I will use my glue gun to attach it to the center. So guys, I am so happy again. Please like and subscribe. That little bell icon you see on the corner there, please press it, and share my videos. And for my returning subscribers, thanks for being on board here with me. And for new friends, welcome guys. Always happy to have you on board. And thanks for the support throughout the months. And this is how it's looking. And guys, how are you doing today? I hope you all are fine. Tell me something about yourself in the comments below. And this is it. Adjust again, and I'll continue on with the rest. Now this other one, I put a little piece in the center, and this is how it looks. For this one, I'm doing the same thing, adding a piece to the center and covering up that pipe cleaner. And guys, this is how all of them look. They turned out. Guys, I hope you enjoy my lovely bows. This is the Sharon bow, of course. I love this design, so I always make this design. It's very easy to make. Not that the others are hard, but this is the other piece. So you can make such lovely designs out of your bows, different types of bows, double bows, single bows, and so on. So thank you guys for stopping by and letting me share with you. And I will see you quite soon. I hope you have enjoyed. And from Theclastyle, I'll catch you later guys. Bye for now.